not recording, not another bullshit, guys. So, and boom, guys, this really working, this not cutting, this not montage. Hello, my defense. Look, this is official 1xbet website, and this is my official SQL group, Avaitor Predictor. My official in Crash Hack 1x. I don't have another group or another account, only this official account, guys. This is my official support account, Crash Hack. Just Crash Hack if you want by hack, just write me. I don't have WhatsApp or another bullshit, my dear friends. So look, this is official 1xbet website, my dear friends. Look this, guys. This all real, buttons working, my dear friend. This all real. Okay, guys. I chose in Crash game. Look this. Loading, guys. Okay, guys. Look, this is all real. This not cutting, guys. This not montage. It should go to working. My beautiful predictor, guys. So official link 1xbet, guys. This all real. This not cutting, this not montage. And now I click first hack, guys, and this first number, my dear friends, 1.64x, guys. So look at this. It's really working. This best predictor for lifetime arcades, guys. Is really working. Boom, my dear friends, it's working. All right, next hack. Oh shit, guys, this crazy number. Okay, guys. So look this, my dear friends. It's all real. It's not cutting. This not montage. Okay, so look this, guys. This not cutting. Look at this. I show you. You see this in no eyes, guys. This not recording, not another bullshit, guys. So, and boom, guys, this really working. This not cutting, this not montage. Again, next hack, guys, 3.32x, and look this, my dear friends. This real working, guys. This not cutting, this not montage. I'm not lying, guys. You see this in no eyes, guys. This real working. And boom, guys, this real working. All right, last hack, this crazy number, guys. So look this, guys. This all real, my dear friends. This not cutting, this not montage. So official 1xbet website. Look this, my guys. Look this. Okay, guys. So if you want to buy this predictor, just write me in my official Telegram account, Crash Hack, guys. Okay, look these numbers, and boom, guys, it's really working. Look this, Crash Hack, my official Telegram account, and Crash Hack 1x, my official Telegram groups, guys.